This has to be the best sound in the world. Just had one land on my back. This guy here seems to be just sitting, holding on. Where is he? Where is he? That guy there, he's just holding on. Probably having a rest. Oh, there we go. Yeah, he was just having a rest. Look at that little face, isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it just gorgeous? So, Sunday afternoon, the 19th, and everything is quiet, and other than the buzzing of the bees, and roses are doing so well up the arbor. Just look at this beautiful rose up here. Isn't it gorgeous? Ooh, can you smell it? Ooh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And what else? We've got the Sleeping Beauty in the oh, it's a shame. Robert, he's been working so hard this morning. Finished the garage, and well, we have a wonderful garage now. It's like another room in the house. And this is doing very well, this little area here. I'm just going. A lovely honeysuckle. Look at this honeysuckle, beautiful. It's really doing well. I'll pop in and I'll show you the garage. Oops, try not to bang the gate and make a noise. Okay. Ta-da! Well, other than the old ladder sitting there, here we are. Got a lovely, nice tidy room now with the laundry at the back. Yeah. Nice tidy cupboards. And that's it. Isn't that good? And all the doors have been fixed up so that there's no air, no breeze going to come through and bring dust and dirt in. So there we go. Everything looking well out here. Got nice geraniums here, doing well. At the door. Really doing well. And more bees. Yeah. Oh, I love bees. So there we are. What else? Nothing else to show you really. Been very dry lately. Go back in here. Sleeping Beauty has turned over, so he must have been woken up. Okay, let's do the gate on carefully. Okay, that's it. And what am I doing? I am sitting here. Oh, I hate those motorbikes. I'm sitting here. And I am... It's lovely to sit here and write my book. So that's where I am. Okay, bye.